cultural procedures that you didn't know in Luo, the road to marriage, just like some of you say the road to Champions League final, Obama says a pass from Bayern to Real Madrid, and so now this one is called the road to JoLuo marriage. These are the Luos of Kenya, how they used to acquire a woman. The first process is called the UHO. UHO in English is the abduction. Once a man has identified a potential woman for marriage, depending on the quality that the man wants, there are men who want very brown women, there are those who want very black ones, there are those who want in the middle, there are men who want tall women, then there are ones who want short ones, big buttock, small buttock. People have different choice. So once a man has identified, even considering the behavior, the characters, or she is respectful, not a prostitute, the man now makes up the mind, and then the only thing is the man will not go to court. That is in Kenya culture. In the JoLuo culture, those days, culture is culture. Some has been abandoned, and this is one of them which is now gone. So the man would go and do the UHO and abduct the lady. Just grabs the lady, take her away into the abduction. You see? So that is the first process. Number two is closely related to abduction or the UHO, is what is called a man, which is wrestling. The man would wrestle with the lady's brother. If the man defeats the brother, the man would take the girl. Then if the man was defeated, the man would offer the sister instead to be taken by the lady's brother. So it was vice versa. Anybody who wins takes the sister of each other. You could wrestle to show that you are strong, you are capable of hunting, you are capable of protecting the woman during time of war, raids, and so on. So that is the second process, which is similar to the first one. Now you know they are men or the wrestling in JoLuo culture of Kenya. The third process on the road to getting your wife in JoLuo culture was the yi, or the acceptance. The man would not let the lady become the wife immediately. The man would go back to the in-laws to seek for the decision of the parents. And he would include taking some other prizes, especially to the mother or the lady. Once it has happened, in most cases, culturally, that thing is not rejected. The lady is always given willingly to the man, and the man would proceed immediately to seek her hand in marriage. The fourth one is food preparation. The girl would then, or the groom would then prepare food and feed the husband in front of our mothers. This was to make sure that the mother or the maharo is confident that the daughter knows how to cook. The moment the man rejects the food, that's not nice. That lady will again be taken back to mahar to relearn how to cook food. Once the food was enjoyed by the man, the lady would proceed to continue at her own, living while the mahar left at home with the husband, confident in their daughter. Dowry payment or the nyombo. The JoLuo call it nyombo. So most of the Luo in Uganda call it nyom. This was a dowry payment. The man's own was always given only 5 weeks to come back for the dowry payment. Now, why was it only 5 weeks? Because those days there was a lot of cattle. Land was still fertile, and in granaries there were sacks of foodstuffs, so we were too rich. In fact, the animals that the JoLuo had was not even for eating. They could just go and hunt other animals from the bush and eat, while the one at home they used not to eat. So that is what is called the dowry payment in JoLuo culture. Lastly, after the negotiation has been done, when in dowry payment you ask for the price is asked, they negotiate until an agreement is made, marriage enters the last phase. They come out, they exchange vows. It was a true wedding of African traditional culture, the Alkebulan traditional culture in JoLuo. It was powerful and even more stronger than the Christian wedding, where people are breaking up these days like they've blown the whistle for them to happen. Marriage is the last phase. Now the woman is yours. Thank you for knowing this Luo culture. If you enjoy it, join Luo folklore by subscribing to the channel. You will get a lot of updates on this channel. Thank you.